Hello guys, welcome back Jack's channel. I have some fun case today too. I have a surgical guide with the Implant Studio, and then also doctor want me to do the digital wax up. Of course, we want to do the digital wax up first, and then combine with the CBCT with the original scan, and we place the implant here. Let's check this out.
Okay, for this case, I got a trios intro scan file from the doctor, and the doctor already opened the patient's mouth, the vertical dimension, like this. So I just remove the teeth out first, and I do the digital wax up with current new vertical dimension here. Okay, and I just make it very minimize for the second molars for the lower, because no need to put an implant there. So whenever I'm doing some digital wax up, I'd like to use, please watch my mouse here, I use this function, temporary unprepared model, which is no need to draw the margin, just we can play with like a library pontics. So it just makes me fast and easy digital wax up. And then also I can see the patient's original teeth whenever I need to see it. I just use the add additional scan file here. So I can use this function to add, import like a patient's original scan one more time to check. Let's say the Implant Studio here. So this is Implant Studio's the most first step for importing scan. I have a lower original scan here, and then also I import lower digital wax up scan plus teeth on here. So with this, when I get into the implant planning, I can see both the lower and the lower digital wax up scan here too with the purple color. And one thing, please guys remember, in the Implant Studio, there's no merging or alignment function between original scan to digital wax up scan. So it has to have the same orientation and position information in the digital wax up first. Make sure before we importing. So we have the nice position, nice size of the tooth on there, and I just place the like 2 implant on the lower left, 3 implant patients on the lower right, and then 1 more implant on the upper here. I already got a doctor's final approval with the implant size and positions, everything. So I'm gonna generate the surgical guide on patient's original scan, okay, like this, not on digital wax up scan, of course. So this is it. This is how it works. Digital wax up plus Implant Studio combine each other. Just simple, quick, but it's very powerful and useful. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.